To Brunette Wig Place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you will get a notification every time I post a new wig related video or a wig review. Today I am wearing Timeless Beauty by Gabor in the shade GL829, and I want to thank Wig Studio One for sending me this wig to review for you today. All the information for purchasing this wig from Wig Studio One will be down below in the information section, so you can easily tap on that after the review if you decide that you want to purchase this wig. Really cute piece, so let's get into the review. So Timeless Beauty by Gabor is a really cute sort of layered bob. It's got some layering around here around the face, and then the rest of the cut is pretty much just a bob cut. So really cute, has great movement, hits me right above the shoulders, which is a great length. I have an 8-inch face and a 4-inch neck, so if your measurements are a little bit different, it might hit you a little lower, but really great, comfortable length for everyday wear. So this is such a cute piece, and I'm so happy that I got the opportunity through Wig Studio One to give this piece a try, because it's one that I have been curious about for a while. So I will do a turn so you can see it all the way around, and then we'll get into her measurements. So this is my right side. Really cute. The back, my left side, and then back to the front. So I haven't had to do a whole lot to her. Once I got her zigzag part out, I just had to kind of play around with the front layers. Now she does want to kind of, as you can see, this one layer sort of wants to fall on the face, so she's going to take some training. I used a little synthetic safe hairspray and spritzed her a little bit, put a little water on her when I first got her out of the box, and then just and got her combed into place, and then just let her dry, and that helped a lot. So just with, I think, minimal training, she will go where I really want her to go, but really not, not a big deal. So super cute piece. She's got a lot of different layers, so we'll get into that. So here in the front, she has a 7.5-inch bang. Now that bang could easily be cut if you prefer to have a bang across the forehead to cover the forehead. I'm not so much a bang person, but I know that women are always wondering, can I cut a bang in that wig? And this one I think would be super easy to cut a bang into. So she has 12 inches from the crown. She's got 6-inch sides. She's 10 inches here in the back, and then her nape measurement under here is 4.5 inches. Her weight is 3.75 ounces, so she's really light. So she is a lace front with a mono part. So let me show you that lace front. Really nice. Gabor just does a fabulous job on their lace fronts. They thin the hair out going towards the edge of that lace, making it very realistic, as if it is just coming right out of your scalp, which is so nice. And then the mono part is also done very well. Looks very realistic. So very happy with all of those features of this particular wig. So let me pop her off and we'll talk about the inside of her cap. Okay, so she has, like I said, she has a mono part that goes all the way back to the crown. Really nice mono part. She's got a temple to temple lace front. She's got some closed lace up here, but not really. She does not have permatease. She's not, there might be a little bit of teasing right at the, where the wefts are sewn in, but other than that, that's all the permatease that I have found in this wig. So nice velvet soft ear tabs with a good piece of metal in there. She's got Velcro adjusters, which I just love. Those are the best. Once you get those in place, you just leave them where they are and they will stay that way forever. And then she has a nice extended soft velvety nape and open wefting all through the cap. So really cool, comfortable piece. And there are a lot of ways that I have found that I can style her, and she is just so cute. So I did mention the ear tabs. Let me jump on those real quick so I don't forget. So ear tabs are really nice. Gabor does a great job with their ear tabs. The ear tab, I don't think I quite have it in, there we go. So the ear tabs have a nice piece of metal in there. Once you get that adjusted, it's not going to move. Looks great. You have good coverage around that edge there. If you do have hair, I don't have hair, as you probably noticed, but you know, if you do have hair, you should have good coverage there. And then the cap is fitting great around my ears, not impinging on my ears or anything like that. So just really, really comfortable fit. So we will jump back into the styling that I started to get to a second ago. So really, really cute. You know, one thing to help with the training here, if you are finding that it's falling in your face like that initially, is you can easily, because it has this beautiful lace front, you can easily just take a little claw clip that back out of your way, and that will also help train that hair and get that hair used to where you want it to be. She's also really, really cute. I love to put like these little sparkly clips in on my wigs because these would never stay in my hair when I had hair because I was so baby fine. So I have a lot of fun with these pretty clips, especially when you want to dress the wig up a little bit. Just put that in there. Now, I need to push it more into the, you know, kind of into the wig cap, but just for demonstration purposes here, really quick. Really, really cute. And then you can also pull her all the way back. And you can use either a large barrette, that looks really pretty going across the back there, or for the purpose of the video, it's usually easier to just snap in a little claw clip. And then these layers want to come down, which looks really pretty, framing the face. So, and it kind of gets like a little bump effect there on the sides. Very, very cute. It looks very chic. I just love it like this. Really, really cute. So fun wig that you can do some styles on. I don't really think that she's much of a ponytail wig. I did get her into the large barrette in the back, but I don't know, it felt like, you know, you just get a little tiny ponytail. I mean, you could pull her back like that if you, and especially if it was warm out and you just wanted to get her up off your neck. You know, I think she's wearable like that, but I think she's probably better off to just as a half up, you know, do. So really, really cute piece. So her color on this one is GL829, which is a mixture of like a warm golden brown and some light and medium auburn tones. So you can really see the reflection of those auburns. And this shade is funny. I've had this shade before in a couple of other wigs. And when you look really close at the shade, you also almost see like a little platinum, little pieces of platinum blonde. So it's a very dynamic shade with a lot of blends, but it reflects a lot of really pretty colors. So sometimes I think it looks like more like a strawberry blonde brown sort of thing, and sometimes I think it just flat out looks like an auburn, and sometimes in some lighting it looks more like a brunette. So it'll be interesting to see what your opinions are of, you know, seeing it on camera. But really, really pretty color. So let's go outside and we'll look at the color in natural light. Okay, so here is GL829 out in the natural light. Now I'm under the patio cover right now because I don't want to get too much shine, but I will walk out in the sun so you can see it. But you can really see those auburns. But really it's a beautiful blend with that medium brown 8. Very warm, pretty, pretty color. So I'll walk out here in the sun. So those auburns really shine in the sun. Very pretty. So as you can see, this GL829 is just really a pretty color. It looks gorgeous out there in the natural light and reflects those auburns, and it's just a beautiful auburn brunette color. So one more thing about this wig before I forget, this wig is ear tuckable, which is always important to me. I love a good bob, and I love to be able to tuck it behind my ears. The layering in the wig and the low density of the wig allows you to very easily tuck it behind the ears, which is so great for if you're in a meeting or if you're on your computer or whatever. So this has been Timeless Beauty by Gabor in the shade GL829. I want to thank Wig Studio One for sending me this to review, and I hope you have a fabulous day, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful.